Welcome to data structure video. In this video, let's learn about post-order traversal. We'll use LRD, L for left, R for right, D for data. So this is the given tree. Let's understand the tree. There are three parts. First on the top is D, data. Left side is L and right side is R. So let's start with L. So in the tree we have to go L. In L there is L is a subtree. Again there is D, L, R. So it says go again L. We'll go L, R and then D. L, R, D. So we'll traverse 10, 30, 20. Next it says go R. L is traversed. We'll go R. In R again it says use L, R, D. That is 150, 300 and then 200. So we'll traverse 150, then 300 and then 200. Now last is D. So after R we'll traverse D, that is 100. So this is the final solution for post order traversal.